Hey guys, just a quick video on a program I've been developing basically pretty much all day. It's built in C# and it is to control LEDs. So let's get into it. So I have a color picker here. And just choose whatever. Do a pink. So you can draw. It's a bit glitchy. You can't actually click on the panels, you have to click in between. I did it this way because it's a lot easier than my original way, which was by clicking the panels. So here we have the hex value, because I actually use the hex values to control the LEDs rather than RGB, because it's just one value compared to 3. So let's go through the menu here. So my examples, I just have random. So there's some really light ones here because when I'm randomizing, I'm also randomizing the alpha channel. Then we have every second, so it makes like a chessboard. You know, you get the idea. In the color tab, we have select, which is the same as clicking up here. We also have clear, so we'll wipe the board. We also have view, so this isn't fully implemented, but it's pretty close and it's not that difficult, to be honest. So we have the index, so this is 1 up here is 108 because it's a 9x12. So with the RGB value and then the hex value. Then in the code, I'm just going to have basically so you can copy and paste into an Arduino sketch. Once again, not implemented, pretty easy to do, shouldn't be too much of a hassle. Then I'm having a save option, so it will save the Arduino sketch. Okay, so in terms of Arduino, we have the settings option. So this selects the COM port the Arduino is on, so just in case you have multiple, because by default, if there's only one device, it will default to that. So if you see here in device manager under COM, we have Arduino Uno, COM3, that's COM3. So I actually don't need to select it because there's only one device connected. And then I just have a send. So we have this send form. This progress bar doesn't work. It's really not needed because it's just sending 108 hex values over serial, which is done pretty fast. So there isn't really any point for a progress bar, but I thought it'd be cool to add. Also have to rename this window. Yeah, these are all panels inside of a table layout panel, so they're all set to fill, so I can actually change it and it will adjust. It's just the color picker and the hex value doesn't fit properly, but I can fix that later. It isn't really too important at the moment, but yeah, that's sort of it for the program, and I'll just show you the Arduino sketch. So this is using the fast LED library and the WS2812B LEDs. So here I am just setting up the LEDs. In the setup, just doing pins, clearing the display in case it wasn't cleared for some reason. And then in my loop, it's actually very simple. This is just checking if serial data is coming in. If it is, it's storing those values, which are the hex color codes, which gets stored into the hex data array. After it's done the 108, then it tells it to update. When update is true, it will assign the LED's color to that of the ones in the hex data array, and then it updates the display. That's it. So fairly straightforward. Like I said, I only spent like a day on this. I am looking to improve in the future. Leave a comment below if I should upload it. I don't know, I can put it on my GitHub or something. But yeah, that's sort of it. Hopefully in the next few days I'll be able to upload a finalized video of actually working and controlling the LEDs. So thank you for watching.